Hi guys, here I am with another video, and this time I'm going to show you how to achieve a simple and easy wash and go using just two products. And the first product I'm going to be using is going to be one of my favorite leave-in conditioners, and this is the Aunt Jackie's Buttercream. I really like this leave-in conditioner because it's super hydrating and moisturizing, especially for winter. And I'm going to grab the leave-in conditioner and start applying that all over my hair. I'm not going to focus on a special technique because I am going to be distributing the product with my Denman Brush. Once I have applied the leave-in conditioner all over my hair, I am going to be adding the Curl Boss Coconut Curling Gel. And I really like the consistency of this gel. I also really like that it does not flake on your hair. And I'm going to be applying the gel the same way I applied my leave-in conditioner. I'm not going to have a special technique because I am going to be using my Denman brush. Like I said earlier, I really like to use a Denman brush because it helps distribute product and it helps you get defined curls. And once I make sure I have gel over my hair, I'm just going to start brushing my hair. And I am not going to section my hair or anything. I'm just going to run the Denman brush all over my hair. As you guys can see here, when I run the brush through my hair, I like to scrunch back so it can help my curls bounce back. And while I brush my hair, I want to tell you guys a little bit about the Curl Boss Coconut Curling Gel and why I love it so much. This gel is a frizz fighter. So you're going to say goodbye to frizz and hello to shine and definition. In the back of the container, because I want to read it to you guys, it says, Aunt Jackie's Curl Boss Coconut Curling Gel is a perfect styling remedy to help achieve soft, bouncy, smooth, hydrated, radiant looking curls, coils, and waves. Great for 1B to 4C textures, wash and go styles, and any curly style in the need of long-lasting definition. When used properly and along with other Aunt Jackie therapies, Curl Boss can help minimize shrinkage and won't weigh hair down or cause flaking or caking. Ooh, this is the reason why I like it so much. Once I finish brushing my hair, I am going to be grabbing a little bit more gel and I am going to apply it on my hair with the praying hand method, and I'm going to scrunch it. And then I'm going to grab my Hair Repair 100% cotton towel and I am going to microplop. After you microplop, you can either diffuse or air dry. I am going to be diffusing for 40 minutes under cold settings. And these are my dry results. I got super shiny, defined curls. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye!